Hello Yr10s, this week's homework is similar to last week, except this time we'll be solving inequalities and then placing them on the number line. So to start with, let's just do a quick recap. Now these are what the symbols represent, and obviously the colored circles are when it's also equal to, and the hollow circles is when it's just greater than or less than. So now, what we want to do here is look at both sides. On the left side, we have 5x plus 2. On the right, we have 3x plus 16. And we want to identify which one is the smaller of the x's. So clearly, you can see on the right side, it's the 3x. So that's what we're going to subtract from both sides. We want to get rid of that 3x. And what we should be left with is 2x plus 2 on the left and just 16 on the right. Now, what we need to do is identify the plus 2, well, on the left side, the additional number which comes with the x's, and that is plus 2. So we want to get rid of this now from both sides, and we're left with 2x is less than or equal to 2x is less than or equal to 14. And now we just divide by how many x's there are, and our answer would be divided by 2, which leaves us with x is less than or greater than x is less than or equal to 7. And we can just place this on a number line by drawing a colored circle and an arrow pointing to the left, because x is less than. So I want you guys to have a go at these practice questions here. Remember, you're going to solve them first of all, and then you're going to place your answers on a number line. You need to draw those number lines with a pencil and a ruler, and I'll give you guys a few minutes to try that. Pause the video now and have a go. Okay, we should have answered those questions now, and this is what your answers should look like. Okay, well done to those of you who got all 5 correct. Now, moving we want to try something slightly trickier. It's when you have numbers on either side of the number line as well, of the inequality. So we have 2 inequalities, and we have a 7 on the left and a 13 on the right. What this is telling us is that 2x plus 1 is greater than 7, but it's less than 13. So it's 2x plus 1 is a number that's between 7 and 13, but it doesn't include those. So to find out what it is, what we need to do first of all is subtract 1 from both sides. And that means taking 1 away from 7 and also taking 1 away from 13. And what we should be left with is 6. So 2x is greater than 6, but it's less than 12. Now we just divide by how many x's there are. So we're going to divide by 2. We're left with x is greater than 3, but it's less than 6. So x could be 4 or 5. Okay, and to place that on the number line, this is what it would look like. I want you guys to have a go at this one, so just pause the video now and have a go, and we'll come through to the answer together. So pause the video now and have a go. Okay, so this is what the answer would have been. This is what it would have looked like on the number line. Okay, well done to those of you who got that right. Now, this is the main task. What I want you guys to do now, pause the video, have a go at these questions. Remember, you're going to draw your number lines with a pencil and a ruler. Take a picture of those completed number lines and send it in on your class chart so your teacher can mark it. And good luck. See you in the next video.